CID.
Oh, a detective, but I said a detective inspector, a DI.
Yeah, do you want to come with me? Just
Yeah, of course I will. Yeah, what's the matter? How are you?
Hello.
You giving me a guided tour?
Do you want to shake my hand? Or?
Nah, I'm all right,
Okay.
thanks, bud. I've got.
What's your name? I know you're filming.
Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically,
Yep.
I've got a YouTube channel.
Yep.
I make videos
Yep.
of matters of high public interest.
Indeed, yes.
I travel around
Yep.
making all different videos.
Yep.
I document stuff that I'm legally allowed to document. Yeah, like stuff like this.
Yep.
Yeah. I don't film in people's rooms.
Gents, would you mind just leaving me and the gentleman alone? Is that fine?
I've got no intention of filming anybody's rooms. I've got no intention of burglary. No intention.